Field Service Contractor Management is a solution designed to streamline contractor operations and enhance service delivery for organizations managing field service teams. The application and its modules are accessible within the ServiceNow AI Platform Navigator. Field Service Contractor Management enables organizations to efficiently manage external contractors alongside their internal teams. It provides tools for onboarding, leveraging the field service marketplace, assigning tasks, tracking performance, and ensuring compliance within a centralized platform. The Field Service Marketplace enhances the contractor management experience by enabling organizations to streamline contractor bidding, task assignment, and collaboration. Contractors can accept tasks directly through the marketplace, ensuring faster service delivery. For example, a company managing wind turbines can use Field Service Contractor Management to seamlessly onboard contractors after verifying their certifications and compliance documents. These contractors are then granted access to the Field Service Marketplace, where they can explore job listings, bid on opportunities, and align tasks with their availability and skills. This process ensures that only qualified contractors are assigned to critical maintenance tasks. Once a contractor accepts or is assigned a job, such as inspecting and repairing a turbine, the system provides all necessary details, including the turbine's location, required tools, and safety protocols. This assignment process is efficient and transparent after engagement through the marketplace. Contractors can access and manage their tasks through the Field Service Contractor mobile app, enabling real-time updates and access to assignment details. The app also allows contractors to review company information and points of contact, providing necessary context for work completion. After job completion, organizations can track contractor performance in the ServiceNow AI platform using a custom dashboard. Metrics include completion time, safety compliance, and metrics specific to the job, such as equipment uptime. This data aids in making informed decisions about future assignments and contractor partnerships. By combining Field Service Contractor Management with the Field Service Marketplace and the Contractor mobile app, organizations can create a seamless end-to-end contractor experience. This solution enables efficient onboarding, provides contractors visibility into job opportunities, streamlines task assignments, and supports real-time communication within a single integrated platform. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.